My name is Haley Strahan, and I am the Director of Outreach and Student Services for the College of Engineering, and I want to welcome you to a graduate informational session about the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Our goal today is to answer any questions that relate to what it's like to be a student in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Lamar. Joining us today is, we have Dr. Lee, who is a professor of mechanical engineering, and he is here to give you a little presentation about his research and then what all is going on in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. The video is turned off and your mics are muted to ensure your privacy. If you have any questions, feel free to use the chat function. Your questions will be open, but you may also select to send your questions to me, the host, anonymously. The questions will be answered at the end. We may have not have enough time to get to everything. If we don't, we will be sure to get back with you via email later, but we will do our best to get to all the questions. We're recording this session for posting on our website. The recording will be closed captioned. Let's get started. Dr. Lee, I'm going to turn it over to you.
Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Xianchang Li, and I am the Graduate Advisor in Mechanical Engineering. This presentation is overall pictures of our graduate program. In this presentation, you will first hear some greeting words from our department chair, Dr. An. You will also see our degree options and the requirement, followed by information of scholarship and tuition. I have a list of courses you may take for your graduate study and your job opportunities after graduation. After that, you will learn the research from some of our faculty. At the end, you will hear the discussion of the experience from our alumni.
Hello, my name is Kendrick Ong, and I'm the Interim Department Chair of the Mechanical Engineering at Lamar University. I wish to welcome all the prospective students who are interested in our graduate programs. Our graduate program has 3 degrees programs. One is the Mechanical Engineering, which is a non-thesis degree, and the Mechanical Engineering Science, which is a master with the thesis degree, and the Doctoral Engineering degree. Now let me tell you a few facts about our department. Our department provides small classes with the individualized learning and research opportunities for all graduate students. The department has faculty with very strong research expertise in many areas of mechanical engineering. Some of the areas are electronic packaging, reliability of mechanical systems, biomechanics, vibration, the energy system, computational fluid dynamics, gas turbine cooling, nanomaterials, surface engineering, high performance computing, and then complex fluids. The department provides excellent opportunities for career, professional development, and networking with the alumni who are working professionally in the local and the state and the nationwide industries. Thank you for your attention. I wish you will be able to join our graduate programs. And I'll welcome you to the Lamar University.
In the next few minutes, Dr. Jenny Zhou will give you an overview of our degree options and the requirement. She will also present some information about the scholarship and the tuition. Dr. Zhou has served as a graduate advisor in our department for many years. She is now the Associate Dean of the College of Engineering.
As you all might know, we have 3 graduate programs in mechanical engineering, in which 2 of them are master degrees, Master of Engineering Science and the Master of Engineering, and one doctoral program, Doctor of Engineering. This table shows the degree requirements. Basically, you need to finish 30 credit hours or 10 courses for master degrees. Master of Engineering Science is the thesis option. You need to finish 8 courses plus 2 3 credit hours thesis research courses and defend your thesis. Master of Engineering is a non-thesis option. You need to finish 10 courses in this option and pass the comprehensive exam at the end. Doctor of Engineering degree requires 9 courses, 4 1 credit hour seminar and 5 6 credit hours dissertation courses. You also need to pass candidacy exam, proposal defense, and the final dissertation defense. This slide is web links of degree requirements. You can find the details there. Here shows some scholarship opportunities. For most full-time international students, we offer $1,000 yearly plus out-of-state tuition waiver. For some selective DE students, we offer DE scholarship, which is $18,000 yearly plus tuition waiver. This scholarship is competitive. We also have some TA and RA opportunities. You may go contact with the chair and the individual faculties for this teaching assistant and research assistant opportunities. Here, I provide links for tuition and payment options. Graduate students usually take 9 credit hours or 3 courses each semester, which takes a little more than $4,000 a semester. You can find the detailed payment option in this link. For example, you may choose to pay 25% of your tuition the first day of the class, then another 25% 2 weeks later, and then the rest of full amount later on.
All right, here is a list of our graduate courses. Of course, this is not the complete list. The course number may make no sense to you at this point. You can see that the courses cover all the major areas in mechanical engineering, from finite element analysis to computational fluid dynamics or CFD, from mechanical vibrations and system controls to energy conversion and thermal system optimization. Please note that our faculty also develop new courses from time to time to meet the need of the job market. After you graduate, your future will be brilliant. Most of you will work as a mechanical engineer, automotive engineer, control and instrumentation engineer. You can find job opportunities in different industrial areas, such as electronics and petroleum. There are many types of employers hiring our students. The most important is that you'll be paid very well. In the next few minutes, some of our faculty members, Dr. Fan, Dr. He, and Dr. Yao, will give you a very brief presentation on their research. For those who are interested in this work or just simply want to have some research experience, you may find the right topics from their discussion.
Hello, my name is Xianchang Fan. Welcome to Mechanical Engineering program at Lamar University. Currently, I'm a regional professor of Texas State University System. I'm IEEE fellow from 2019. I have 10 years industry experience in semiconductor manufacturing. I also have had a 20-year experience in academia, including 14 years teaching at Lamar University. I received my PhD in solid mechanics. I have 4 books published, 30 book chapters, 5 inventions, and more than 250 publications. My research area includes design, modeling, characterization, and reliability of microelectronics material, component, and system. It covers the whole spectrum of semiconductor manufacturing, from front end to back end to packaging and integration, all the way to the system level. During each process and at the operations, there are various of mechanical failures we need to study and we need to solve. If you are interested in these research areas, some important courses you may want to take, such as advanced mathematics, numerical analysis, advanced solid mechanics, and finite element analysis. This is my contact information. You can find out more information on my webpage. You are always welcome to make an appointment through email to discuss more. Finally, welcome again. I hope you will like and enjoy our ME program. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. He, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering. I earned my PhD from Xianchang University. I have been postdoc and a research scientist at MIT for 3 years. In 2016, I joined Lamar University. My research interests are mainly in computational complex fluids. I have been developing novel numerical methods in various application areas. Here, I would like to welcome our potential new graduate students and invite you to join us. As faculty of mechanical engineering, we are leading research teams to solve important engineering problems that are greatly needed in industry. My group is equipped with a state-of-the-art cluster for high-performance computing with over 1,500 CPU cores and 100 gigabit per second interconnection. This is a short video from my research. A water droplet in the size of millimeters is deposited on 4 micropatterned solid surfaces in different initial conditions. We invented a brand new numerical algorithm to handle the liquid-gas interface sliding on a solid surface, which has been validated through rigorous comparison with experiments. Our simulations revealed that the wetting process on micro-pattern surfaces are highly dependent not only on the micro-patterns, but also on the hydrodynamic conditions. Please do not hesitate to contact me if you are interested in my research. Best wishes. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, this is Zhou. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Lamar University. I joined Lamar in 2016. My primary areas of research are nano microfabrication, surface engineering, and microdroplets. My team has designed and fabricated a variety of nano microstructural surfaces. For example, we created super hydrophobic nano-brace-like structures on copper with enhanced corrosion resistance for various engineering applications, such as condensers, heat pipes, or copper cooling channels. We have also developed super hydrophobic coatings for metallic structures, which we developed on surface. In terms of corrosion resistance, we found that the super hydrophobic coatings have a low corrosion rate. Currently, my team is investigating micro and nanoscale interactions between coatings and the corrosive environments using in situ atomic force microscope technique. I also focus on the dynamics of microdroplets. Droplet-based microfluidics has attracted a lot of attention because of its relevance in various applications, such as biochemical assays, drug development, and the fabrication of electronic devices. For those applications, the understanding of the motion of droplets with interfacial contact is crucial. Our studies has revealed the sliding mechanism of microdroplets on superhydrophobic surface. We also show that droplets could share the bond surface once the energy barrier relative to the penny effect is eliminated through the induced surface vibration. The Advanced Materials and the Surface Engineering Lab provide students in the Lamar University with access to high-end instruments such as atomic force microscope system or nanomechanical testing system for the studies of material and surface properties. If you are interested, you are welcome to join us.
The next part will be voices from our graduates. Many of our graduates have been very successful in their career. Due to the time limit, you will only see the stories from some of them.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mustafa El-Barbari. I'm a graduate student with a Master's of Science degree in Mechanical Engineering, class of 2018. I want to talk a little bit about my experience with Lamar University and how it helped me find a good career that I always dreamt about. Lamar University, I think they do a very good job as far as preparing the students to face the job market, and they have a lot of career options. One of the good things also that I really liked about Lamar is the strong engagement between the staff and the students. I think through my experience in mechanical engineering, they have provided a tremendous education alignment to the industry. In every single class that I studied, I think the applications was like updated according to the market needs, research, and development. The main skills that I have gained personally through the master's program were technical problem solving and leadership skills. Thank you.
Hello, professors, prospective students. I'm pleased to be here and share some experience when I was at Lamar. Let me introduce myself shortly. My name is Subsaku Gururatana. I'm from class of 2011. I did study in doctoral degree program in mechanical engineering, and I did work research under supervision of Dr. Lee. I would like to share the thing that I obtained from Lamar. I got the phenomenal experience to work with the professors and students from multicultural environment. They are from various countries. I learned many things from them. After that, I feel that I am enhanced and improved both research and learning skills. After I graduated in 2011, I joined Xianchang University in Thailand and worked as a lecturer at the ME department, Xianchang University, Xianchang campus, Thailand. Later in 2018, I was promoted to be the head of ME department. My responsibilities are manage, develop, organize the ME department in terms of education, research, and academic service. For this year, in early 2020, I was promoted again to be Associate Dean for Strategic Development. I am responsible to manage and implement the KPI and objective and key results for this organization. For the potential graduate student, according to my experience at Lamar, you have a chance to work with the professional and specialized professors. The thing I would like to say that they don't just help you to succeed the thesis, but they inspire, motivate, and advise you to achieve your research. That was my memorable experience at Lamar. So finally, I am thankful to ME department that let me share some experience at Lamar University. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mullah Hassan. I'm an assistant professor at Alfred University. I earned my master's degree from Lamar University in 2011. My major was mechanical engineering. I developed my computational and analytical skill during my study at Lamar. I got my first lessons in MATLAB and ANSYS at Lamar. And learning these two softwares helped me a lot in my professional and academic career. After graduation, I did an intern at Acker Solution, Houston, where my responsibility includes stress analysis using ANSYS. And after that, I started my PhD at Texas Tech University. The computational learning from Lamar actually is my life at Texas Tech. In many courses over there, the capstone projects require a lot of programming, and I was able to do that because of my learning at Lamar. As I said before, I'm working as an assistant professor at Alfred University, New York. I teach mechanics of materials. Currently, I am developing 2 new courses, and one of them is linked to my first graduate course, Control Engineering, and that was taught by Dr. Zhou. Lamar graduate program is unique for several reasons. First, it offers some courses such as ANSYS, CAD, and many students do not get the opportunity to learn these courses in their undergrad. So Lamar gives them an opportunity to make up. Also, the students can grow their expertise in solid mechanics, fluid mechanics, control engineering by taking advanced courses like fracture mechanics, elasticity, advanced engineering analysis, and control engineering. The class sizes are pretty small, and so you can get a better opportunity to interact with your professors. Last but not the least, because of the location of Lamar, students have a better job placement compared to some other university. And as you know, the energy capital of the world, Houston, is 1 hour away from Lamar, and there are plenty of opportunities in Houston. I highly recommend Lamar graduate program. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day.
This is almost the end of our presentation. For your part, please contact us if more information is needed, and then apply. After that, plan your trip to Lamar. We are here to help you always. Thank you all so much. I appreciate all our faculties and alumni who contribute to this presentation.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah, that's the presentation we have today. And if you have any question, you can ask me or ask Dr. Jenny Zhou. She knows better than me, actually.
It looks like we have a lot of questions, and I know, Jenny, that you are looking at these as well. It looks like we have some questions about the policies regarding face-to-face students and international students. Do you want to address some of that?
Yeah. Hello, everybody. I'm Jenny Zhou. I'm also a professor in mechanical engineering. Let's see your question. I say, okay. So the first one is if an admitted student should defer to the spring semester because of uncertainty about embassies, will the scholarship and out-of-state tuition waiver be returned? Yes, you still have the opportunity of a scholarship and out-of-state tuition waiver. And also, actually, I encourage you, like Dr. Lee said, you can take it online class right now. You can take online classes right now. We offer online program right now. So
even though in your country, you still can take those online program, online courses, and be eligible to this scholarship and out of tuition waiver as well. So you can start right now if you want, if you are admitted. So that is one question. Do I answer your question? Do you have more? Amy? Haley, I cannot hear you. You say something?
Sorry about that. Yes. It looks like they're asking some questions about whether we're going to be face-to-face in the fall, given that, you know, international students have to take one class face-to-face. I think that's sort of the new.
Yeah, that is so the second one is international students need to take face-to-face class. That's right. Only one online course is allowed. Actually, not only one online course is allowed. You are allowed to take 2 online courses, up to 2 right now, 2 online courses, but you need to have one either hybrid or face-to-face course. That is the thing. So if you are in US, if you are a current student and you're in US, so you need to take at least 1, not 2, 1 hybrid or face-to-face class. So not true, only 1 online course. Right now, it's 2 online courses are allowed. Is it international students need to take face-to-face? Yes, international students, if you want to hold your F1 visa, you need to take face-to-face, 1 face-to-face. But I think it's up to last Friday. I read the news, but it's not official yet from our international office. I don't. I was not informed yet, but I read the news. It seems like the policy they explained differently, so you can take all online courses. But that is not true. As of Friday, we still say you need to take 1 face-to-face. But later on, the policy is changing, still changing. Yeah, so it is not final. So you just, we will keep you updated. And also, I think we will post our Dean Craig is preparing in a letter, to our graduate students. So the policy will be clearly stated there.
Yes, we're actually in the process of posting information on the website. It'll be on the homepage of the website, a letter directly from Dean Craig with kind of a little bit of an update on those policies. So just I would check back on the website and you'll be able to see that.
All right. Yeah.
It looks like someone is wondering domestically, if they're a Texas resident, how many online classes, I guess, can you take as a graduate student if you're domestic?
It is, what we're talking about is all international students. If it is a domestic student, we don't have that kind of limitation, visa limitation. So if it's a domestic student, then it is all online are fine, all face-to-face is up to you. We don't have limitation, but only one thing, to be eligible for that 1,000 scholarship, you need to take a full load, which means minimum is 3 courses with 9 credit hours. Yeah, that is the thing.
And he says, how can I know about the available hybrid courses?
All our courses, we're not finalized yet, but all our courses can be 2 versions. One is online, one is hybrid. Yeah, all of them. Right now for the fall spring. So the question like, will be a fall term this year or not? Yes, we will have fall term. We definitely will offer courses. We are open. And the international students, if you are here, currently here, as long as you just take 1 hybrid or 1 face-to-face class, you are fine. That is the thing.
We have a question about applying for doctoral scholarships.
Yes. So for doctor, DE scholarship, that's right. For DE scholarship, the best way you do it, so you apply in Texas for our program, and you will go through the screen process, and then eventually will go to our department. The department will review your application and admit you. We also look at your background. If we think you are very competitive, then we will contact you about the scholarship. That is one way. Another way is you contact the professor directly, contact chair and professor directly. You send your resume and state your information and describe your information, and then you ask for a scholarship. So that is another. So if you don't want to wait, you can directly contact our faculty members and the chair, and also our graduate advisor. So that is my answer for a scholarship. Okay, I also read how many online courses can Texas resident student can take. You can take as many as you want, but usually I don't suggest you take more than 4 graduate courses. No, that will be too much. Usually full out is 3. Our graduate students usually take 3 courses, but if 4 you can handle. 5 is a little bit too more. So that is how can I know about available hybrid courses, because I'm currently in Texas. Okay, but good. And if you are talking about fall semester, you can email our chair or our graduate advisor. Then they will send you information. Dr. Lee will send you information about that. So
we are going to finalize it pretty soon. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. That is. And actually, if you want to wait, it will be posted online on our website very soon. I'm a returning student. I was at Lamar University. I'm returning to finish my degree. Do I need to write GRE again? Good question. Right now, since many places don't even have the test center open, so we don't need a GRE. Also, you are a returning student. You don't need it. Your GRE will be waived, so you don't need that. Yeah, you just simply apply. Yeah. Where can I find a PhD degree plan, please? Great, good question. We will have a DE roadmap. It will be online. And right now, if you email me, I can send to you. Yeah, you email Dr. Lee, it is also fine. And we will send to you the degree plan. And you mean, for ME, we don't have PhD, we have DE, Doctor of Engineering. That DE roadmap, DE plan, we can send it to you. And actually, you can find it online very shortly. Yeah. And Dr. Lee, do you want to say something more about those questions?
No, you're good.
All right. All right.
Well, it looks like that is most of the questions. There were a couple of questions that were kind of specific, so I've responded to them privately that I will look into that and have someone email back. Yeah. If anyone wants us to reach out to them, you can leave your email in the chat. You can ask any other questions, you know, that you may not have wanted to ask the group, and we'll be happy to get back to you. I am going to share my screen now. And this is my contact information. And again, I'm the Director of Outreach and Student Services. So you can reach out to me if you have a question for Dr. Lee or Dr. Zhou. I'm happy to get them in contact with you. You can also go down here and find your admissions counselor, lamar.edu/admissions/find-your-admission-counselor, and that will lead you to the graduate recruitment office, and they can also help you out. Thank you, Dr. Zhou and Dr. Lee, for being here with us, and thank all of you who took the time out of your day to learn a little bit more about our program. If you have any questions, we are always here for you, and we're happy to help you navigate some of these changing times. Again, like I said, if you go to our website and to the homepage, we do try to keep updates about admissions policies or any kind of changes there. And I think that's all. So I'm going to say goodbye. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you. Bye.